is a room where you watch TV, you play games.
You got the hiccups.
This is the Christmas collection, which
You got the
I've been
hiccups.
trying to figure out
Yeah.
how to put away.
My poor baby.
So, just wondering, Christmas materials in the living room and all this,
Here,
that's it, right?
no, and the kitchen, and the bathroom. And there's some nutcrackers that are
Hey,
still out
baby.
there. My love of Christmas started when I was a little girl. My mom, she was the one who actually made it really special for us as we were growing up. And I wanted to do the same for my children. Decorations were really important to me. That was a big deal because now you know Christmas is coming. And having the house, decorated for Christmas just makes me happy. It's nice.
とりあえず思い出品のwe have a lot of memorabilia keepsakes in here.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna go look at the next. Yeah, at least there's room for you to walk. There is room. Oh, there we are.
I didn't expect them up there.
Yeah, that's Mushu and Ma.
This is where everything
Yes,
ended
we have no idea how many boxes are in the garage and what's in them. For most of its life, the garage has been cluttered. And we have 3 generations of belongings in this house that began with Ron's mom and dad. They brought their belongings from their previous home. And now we have our children's items, which are still in this house, and Ron's items and my items.
私もここを片付けるのはかなり時間がかかりなとは実際には思います。I do think that it will take significant amount of time going through. 必ず終わります。But you will finish.
Yes.
Okay?
That's what.
Okay.
That's what I wanted to hear. Can I get a high five?
Here we go. We're on.
They named their cats
必ず
Mushu
いつも
and
皆さ
Momo.
んとご一緒。Just as I introduced myself to you today, I always also introduce myself to the house.
I love that.
I love that.
Talking to our house. And asking our house to cooperate with us.
That's great.
一緒にやった方がいいですか？すいません、できますか？ Oh, like, can you do Seiza? To like, this is the Japanese proper way of saying it, right? Appreciate it.
Yeah. Yeah. Bill.
お洋服を片付けるときに、まず自分が持っている洋服を一緒に片付けて、一緒に